Hey my people, welcome back to my channel. If you're your first time here, then welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can stay up to date on more hot sets we got coming at ya. So today we are going to do some mummy nails. This is an easy thing to do. Anybody can do it. So we started out with our prep work and all of that jazz. Then we put down a white gel base. I use Makartt and Blanc for my base for the design. And then I use Makartt and Noir and my striper brush to start drawing on my little mummy lines. To do the lines, I just basically went back and forth, I think everybody's seen little mummies. Hopefully not in real life, but or movies, all that. So just draw back and forth like you're drawing little mummy wraps. And we're going to do that up and down the nail, and we'll leave a little space so we can draw on eyeballs. Now we will fill in our eyeball space because we will put in some little eyes in there later. And at this point, you don't have to do it, but I think it really adds to the design. So we put down some base coat, and then we'll put down a little bit of the black gel polish into the base coat. We can mix that up, and we can use this to add shading to the wraps to kind of give them a little dimension and make them pop. You see, it's going to look like a little, kind of like a gray, but I wouldn't just use gray gel polish because the base coat mixed with it makes it kind of like a more transparent kind of gray to make it look like a shadow. So I'm going to do that on the bottom and on the side of it, just like you would do a shadow. So make sure you're putting your shadows consistently in the right places. So if you put it on the top of each band, don't put it on the bottom of the band, because that's not how shadows work. put them like you were thinking of an actual shadow to balance it out, to make it look not real, because none of this is real, but to make it look, more detailed. It really makes it pop. So we got that all done. Now I'm going to do a top coat before I put on my eyeballs. And then I'm just going to use my white polish, dot on the eyeballs with my dotting tool. And then we got some little red rhinestones or some little red gems to put in for the eyeballs. So our next nail is just going to be the full mummy nail. No need to do any space for the eyeballs. Got those done, and I did shade them off cam to add the pop. And now for our next nail, I am going to change the color because I had originally did them all white, but you know me, I'm just going off the top of the head. So I decided I didn't want it white, that I wanted the thumbnail black, and I was going to put some foil on it. So I wanted kind of like a lacy design, like if you had a lacy mummy, not with the mummy design, but just like a lacy fabric. So you'll see. Put down your foil gel, put it in the bake, let it bake for 90 seconds. I do mine, and then we put our little fake fabric / lace, little flowery, and Makartt, their foil is really good, so I never have problems with this. I've had other brands that I've had some issues with, and I used to have to say a prayer before I took stuff off, but with this, no prayer needed. It just works. And then I saw that they had like little middles in the flower, so I said, hey, why don't I put some little red in there, some red gems to match the mummy eyes. So we used our same rhinestones, which I got from a Your Nail Lab box back in the day. I think it was, I don't remember when, but so I'm putting those down. These are smaller rhinestones, so you can usually adhere them with gel polish, but if you want to be safe, because I'm not really going to be wearing these, but I am selling them on my website. If you guys go over to naildreamz.com, I am selling the press-ons. So if I did that, when I do that, I'm going to use stronger gel glue. So we are going to top coat them. Like I said, I left the other two white, but if you're doing this, you can do all mummy nails. I've seen people do all mummies or whatnot. Live how you live. Do what you want. And there we go. And here is the finished product. How cute are those little mummy bad boys? They're adorable. And how cute are those little gloves I got, y'all? I got them off Amazon. They are too cute. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. As I said, you can get these nails in my Etsy shop, which is naildreamzbyaisha.com. If you liked what you saw, hit that subscribe button. And remember, kindness is key. Be who you be and dream big. Bye-bye.